One of my main goals in this project is to visually convey the entire story that Laura Bates has summed up in a 60-second audio clip. Here are 5 different examples that I was inspired by and influenced my direction for my visual goals. In this animation, while the subject matter clearly has nothing to do with our project, I really liked how they put the graphics into frames, and then those graphics broke out of those frames. I think this really relates to what Laura Bates was talking about in her own monologue. A goal of mine with this project is to give the viewer a complete story with the text already being laid out for me. That is one of the things I really liked about this next animation, was that it told a complete story. It carried the subject through the entire thing with smooth animations and transitions throughout the entire animation. This next clip is really short, but in this next animation you'll see the counter run up really quickly in value. I think this would be a great way to visualize some of the statistics that Laura Bates used in her monologue. I think they carried so much weight in her argument that it's definitely worth finding a way to convey those visually. In this next animation, there are individual motion graphics that are moving all at the same time that all make up parts of a connected whole. The individual motion graphics could stand alone, but they all seem to work together as well. This is an additional goal of my animation for my Laura Bates project, because I kind of feel like she jumps around a little bit and there needs to be a way to establish a connection between each point that she makes. In this last animation, I just really liked the way that data was displayed. It was interesting, it was dynamic, it wasn't simple Microsoft Excel pie charts and graphs. The data still managed to fit in with the style of the animation. I think this is really effective, and this is totally something that I want to do in my own animation. So as you can see, I'm super inspired by a ton of different things that have different illustration styles and different goals and different messages, and I'm hoping that I can use some of, or if not all of these pieces, to kind of create one balanced animation that conveys the story that Laura Bates is trying to tell.